Hi, I'm Isaac.
Hi, I'm Ernest.
And we are
Team TARIFIC. Now the reason why we are here today is to show you the amazing features that we've created for you.
So let's get right into it.
Alright, so right now we are at the login page. So feel free to create an account, but I'm going to log in to my admin account. We have access to the admin panel, which means we can see all the users who have an account in our database. Here we can edit or delete the user if we need to. Now let's explore the main features of our app, the database.
So right now I'm in the dashboard, and now when I go to see my 2025 data, it's not available. So I'm gonna load live data. The data is being loaded live from USITC with all the preferential rates. Finished, refresh, and I can see my 2025 data.
Let's say I want to create a tariff. So I'll click this button, fill in tariff ID, fill in the year, and I'll choose my category. I'll be choosing specific per unit. So the unit name can be kilogram, I'll be doing brownies. My partner country will be Singapore, and my reporter country will be United States. And because I chose specific per unit here, I'll be filling it up here. The effective date I'll choose today, and the expiry date I'll choose 30th November. The data source will be mock. So once I'm done creating this, let me go search for it. So I'll search by tariff ID, and I'll put in the ID. It's here. So let's say I want to view my details. Then I want to edit. So now I've filled in the year. I can put as 2025 or whatever year you want to change it to. I can even change the category. Then I'll change the description to brownies too. I can change the country as well. So for example, I chose composite, so now I need to put both. So I'll put 0.055 here. And all of this, if I change, it will update as well. So now I click that, see, it will update here. I can also delete the tariff afterwards. Let's say I also want to export everything here as a CSV. You can click this button and it will help you do that.
Now let's look at some more features that we have prepared in our dashboard. So let's say I want to look for this tariff ID. I can go and view the details. And you can see that I can view the tariff in the calculator. If I view this in the calculator, all of the details will be auto-populated for me. So I want to find 60 kilograms, then it computes the tariff for me. When we designed TARIFIC in mind, we know that our users might want to see a history of what they have calculated before. So if you go to calculation history tab, you can see that, well, 5 seconds ago, I just calculated this tariff. Back to the dashboard and view it in historical. Now you can see that the historical graph for ad valorem and specific is shown for us very nicely. I have the now, today's data, and I can see the historical data. Now what if our user wants to forecast future data? So that's why we created the forecast tab. Here we use a linear regression model to predict what the tariff will look like in the next 3 years. Other than making TARIFIC a calculation-only app, we were thinking, so those who are in the agriculture sector, what are some of their pain points? Do they only want to make tariff calculations? How else can we make this app more relevant for them? Let's talk about some of the gamification features that we've created.
This is the newsletter feature. So when our users want to make informed decisions, where should they look to? They should look to the news, of course. Our app is an intelligent web scraper that goes directly into Yahoo News and scrapes the tariff-related entries and displays it to the user in one page. So what's even cooler about this is we have a curated mailing list and we can send this news directly to the emails of our users.
We know that our users might not have enough time to sieve through everything inside. So we were thinking, what can we do to make this easier for them? So we thought of creating a little AI tool to help summarize articles and only sieve out the relevant parts, like a summary and what tariffs data has changed.
In the current day and age, AI has been everywhere. Many companies have integrated AI into their web apps. Other groups have also integrated AI into their specific apps. So we thought to ourselves, how do we make ourselves stand out? And then it sparked. We came out with Model Context Protocol. Our motivation behind implementing this is to make something more than just a chatbot. Something that can do tasks for you just like your own employee. Fundamentally, this solves the M times N problems. It will unify the small linkages in between them and make everything streamlined and smooth. So this is exactly how our Model Context Protocol app works in action. We are linking up all the different tools together, and our Model Context Protocol execute all of these tools and not just give you a plain text output. And this unification makes our MCP app very powerful. So this is more than just a normal chatbot.
After a long day of work, our system detects that it is late. So our system changes to night mode and you won't lose track of time.
One, two, three.